My fellow Americans, and of course the beautiful Ivanka. Hi, Ivanka. And Melania? Melania? Where'd she go? I see you again, Ivanka. Big shout out to my favorite daughter. Listen to me now and always. I've got huge news, the best news, the most exciting news since I won the election. Forget the fake news, forget the Democrats, forget the communists, forget the off-brand fascists, forget the Mexican pickers, and forget the conflicted judges. Forget all the stuff you don't want to see nor hear no more. I'm thrilled to upsell the MAGA nation, the best thing you land whales never prayed for, but now absolutely need. Made in the good old USA, in the great snake of Elon's Texas, available for mandatory purchase in all 49 states. Because who cares about Wyoming? No offense, Wyoming, but your cows vote more than your people. You can trust these beauties because they are 100% made in America, even the imported bits and gizmos. We've got the best developers in the world who claim to have made it happen. How do you get to Oz? I mean heaven? I mean TrueWorld? By donning these fabulous sunglasses, the Ray-Ban FaceHuggers. Look at that. I can see clearly now. The losers, the fake reporters, they're all gone. What do I see? The perfect America.
Tell them they're virtual reality glasses, boss.
This isn't virtual reality. You're fired. This is the big league of reality. We're taking fake news, signing a prenup, grabbing it by the pussycat, and shipping it back to Mexico where it belongs. TrueWorld TM, with my president-tested default settings set to default. In TrueWorld, there are no Democrats or Melanias, like I said. In TrueWorld TM, I'm still your president, the way it was meant to be. Yes, sir, here in TrueWorld USA, we can see and interact only with bright, happy, young, handsome, fit, and strong, true Americans. Look at you people. All you MAGA handmaidens are as hot as Ivanka. Even you MAGA men never look better because now you're skinned younger and slimmer, and you're all wearing big boy shoes and shirts with collars. Except for you studs showing off your six-pack abs. Most important, you're all white. I mean, not most of you, all of you. I can see no black people at all. It's like the 1950s, but with Wi-Fi. Everyone's perfect, just like me. And look, with just one click, the demon cat. Infiltrators and journalists just disappear. It's amazing. And look at this. TrueWorld comes with jail unbreakable in-app purchases, the latest in presidential merchandise, Trumpy NFTs, which means non-effable token hires for you morons out there. Here in this unclosable window, you get the first one nearly free. Donald J. Trump, Semper Interruptus, you're stuck with me forever in an unclosable window. Like pop-up ads, but even more powerful. For a handful of imaginary dollars, you can get Superman Trump. Look at the bulletproof hair on this Superman Trump. Glorious. If you act now, you can get it for $1. 99 true Trump TM dollars. That's practically free in MAGA math. Buy now or cry later, folks. Or for $3, be the proud solitary owner of this amazing Jesus Trump with a wink and a thumbs up. Nothing buys redemption like an NFT holy relic. Redeem it in hell and get a free bus ride to Trump heaven. You got to like that deal. Even the Pope doesn't sell dispensable sensations anymore. Dispensations, get out of hell free cards, whatevers. Here is the hole-in-one Trump, a classic, excellent golfer and president. You can choose from hundreds of Trumps. I never get tired of shopping in the no-exit gift shop, browsing all these handsome virile Trumps. Millions get to be the sole owners of these beautiful, inescapable NFTs. Ray-Ban. You know and you trust and you love this classic American brand that went bankrupt due to the millennial panic plague, right before they had their intellectual property bought up for pennies on the dollar by the Luxury Nuts Corp, who I think are Swiss. So they got to be okay, right? There are not envious LLM turbocharged GPUs right here in the stems of your facehuggers. If you don't think too hard, they don't overheat so much. Just remember that a facehugger is a facehugger with absolute anti-theft and anti-piracy and anti-fascist Trumpian facehugger technology. If you have the correct skull shape and bumps, Your face huggers will never blow off in the wind, or be snatched off your nose by a spider monkey, or confiscated at night by a demo-fascist party hologram denier. No, sir, your face huggers can only be removed in the sleep of death by a licensed subcontractor in the suburbs of Seoul, Korea. Soon to be our first replacement state. It's like border control, but for your head.
Here, they're stealing our feed, boss. Get the sales done because the demo's